Camelia.
I'm Dina.
I'm Malin. And I'm Dalila.
I'm Alia.
We're from Sains Secondary School.
And we are here to talk about
Drumroll please.
Secure 2.0.
Scabies is what we used to talk about all the time in our innovation Secure. Thank you, Scabies. Certainly without you, we couldn't have achieved all these recognitions and awards, including the IYC Grand Award, IYC Gold Medal, IYC Special Award, and also the certificate of IARC Special Award when joining the International Science and Invention Fair competition in Bali, Indonesia last year. Although we've come to think of it that it is now the time for us to improve Secure to be a better treatment, a better innovation, to better fit the needs of our chosen SDG, which is the Sustainable Development Goal 3, good health and well-being.
What has been lacking by Secure certainly is multifunctionality. With further and advanced revision to a Secure 2.0 are now focusing on treatment between both eczema and scabies. Oh yeah, first of all, what is scabies? Scabies, or the 7-year itch, is a dermatological infestation caused by a mite called Sarcoptes scabii. These mites burrow deep into our skin and lay eggs, resulting in painful rashes and relentless itching.
That is scabies. Then what is eczema?
Eczema is a condition that causes your skin become dry, itchy and bumpy. These conditions weakens in your skin barrier function, which is responsible to help your skin remain moisturized and also to protect your body.
why we create Secure 2.0. Secure 2.0 is a scabicide, and the problem that we want to overcome through Secure is the limitation of choice of scabicides in the market. Most scabicides nowadays uses permethrin as its active ingredient, although it is not the best type of scabicides that consumers opt to opt for. And why? 1. A recent report has shown how normal over-the-counter topical cream containing permethrin is losing its efficacy in treating scabies.
Permethrin also gives a negative side effect such as redness, itchiness and also redness on the surface of the skin where the cream is applied. Other than that, the acute side effect also including difficult in breathing and also make the skin even worse during the treatment period.
Next, why the need for an organic and all-natural eczema treatment? Nowadays, topical corticosteroids that are sold on the market can and is proven to induce a lot of negative side effects. Includes irritation, itching, and constant redness of the skin. It is also proven that it can worsen the area of treatment on the eczema on the skin. And topical corticosteroids on the market right now also contains active ingredients such as chemical, which are strong and can induce thinning of the skin, making the skin more sensitive to contact dermatitis, atopic dermatitis, and more types of eczema.
So, the solution that we are providing for the status quo is Secure, an effective scabicide containing only natural ingredients, which are virgin coconut oil, rose extract, cinnamon extract, and aloe vera.
Sorry, wrong way. We collaborate with one of the best university in Malaysia, which is University Tun Hussein On in Pagoh, to make our product Secure. At that, we made a few samples, which is the first one containing 1% of cinnamon extract, the second one containing 2% of cinnamon extract, and the last one containing 4% of cinnamon extract. The aim in making a few samples is to see which suits our needs and also the consumers need the most. The two phases, which is hydro and oil phase, are binded with a surfactant and then mixed with homogenizer with a rotation speed 8,000 to 10,000 rotation per minute.
Oh, after producing Secure 2.0, we carry out a gas chromatography and mass spectrometry GCMS test. We carry out the GCMS test in order to identify the components found in the Secure 2.0, which is to prove the effectiveness of the product by acknowledging the ingredients. The most significant components found in Secure 2.0 is benzyl benzoate that can be found in the cinnamon. The benzyl benzoate is the main and active ingredients that act as a killing agent by exerting toxic effects on the parasite's nervous system. Other than that, glucomannan and aloe vera can smooth the skin and help the wound on the skin surface to heal faster. Moreover, the presence of borneol were derived from the rose essential oil because many people don't like the smell of the cinnamon. It contributes to Secure 2.0 as an effective analgesic agent with therapeutic fragrance that can reduce tension.
When the scabies mites burrow deep into our skin, it will leave a secondary infection which is Bacteria Escherichia coli and Staphylococcus aureus. So we run a KPM-Guru test which we want to identify if secure also combat and inhibit the secondary infection carried by scabies. So the procedure goes as follows. A swab of E. coli and Staphylococcus aureus are spread over 2 molar Hinton agar plates. We prepare 4 filter paper discs for this experiment. The first one we dip in 40% of secure. The second one we dip in 20% of secure. Next we dip in permethrin, which is a scabicide, tropical cream, and lastly add as control. The result that we got back shows that there is an inhibitory zone around the filter paper. So the inhibitory zone is observed and recorded as the result. We can conclude that by this experiment, secure are effective in inhibiting the secondary infection carried by scabies.
For us to make sure that Secure 2.0 is as safe as possible for the consumers, we carry out a pH test to determine whether it is safe to be applied to the skin or not. We use a 2000 pH test from Hana Instruments, where the result that we get are 4% of the cinnamon extract is 4.7, whereas the 2% of the cinnamon extract is 4.396. Here, we can conclude that cinnamon directly affects the acidity of the Secure 2.0, where the reading are becoming progressively lower when there's an increment in the concentration of the cinnamon.
Next, we also carried out an FTIR test, or a Fourier Transform Infrared Spectroscopy test, which has been carried out at UTH Pago's Analytical Lab. The function of this FTIR test is to identify organic and polymeric materials in Secure. The results that we got back has shown that there are active ingredients such as isobutyl nitrite, simildehyde, and glucomannan, which is found in ingredients like cinnamon and also aloe vera and coconut oil, which shows that Secure 2.0 thus inhibit the growth of scabies and their eggs, besides treating worse skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and also atopic dermatitis.
The fine line that differentiates our Secure 2.0 and other scabicides in the market are the inclusions of aloe vera, or known as aloe vera barbadensis Miller, in our ingredients. We use aloe vera because of its outstanding healing properties. Aloe vera can also help the skin even faster and also moisturize the skin along the way.
Furthermore, coconut oil also contains lauric acid, a type of nutritional fatty acid or lipid that is usually found in breast milk. Lauric acid, its specialty is that it can develop into monolaurin, a type of antimicrobial agent that is proven that it can kill bacteria, fungi, yeast, and pathogens on skin that experiences eczema.
Secure also proven to inhibit the secondary infection carried by scabies, resulting in the less occurrence of bactericidal infection toward our skin. This could be a reason why consumers are ought to choose Secure when it comes to choosing the perfect scabicide for them. Secure 2.0 are more natural and sustainable compared to other usual tropical cream in the pharmaceutical market nowadays. Secure 2.0 utilize the usage of natural ingredients such as usage of aloe vera, cinnamon, rose extract, and also virgin coconut oil.
We value Secure as a product with high marketability value and potential to sell in the pharmaceutical field. Secure comes in two forms, which is the spray form and the cream form. The purpose of doing two types of samples is to fulfill what different consumers want on the sensory spectrum. Consumers also love the marketing and the labeling product when it is natural, sustainable, and environmental product. Secure can also treat eczema. Eczema is the most common skin condition. It can occur in people for any age, sex, or ethnicity. Since our product is labeled as one product, consumers would believe that this is product that ought to not miss on the pharma counter as it is multifunctional product.
Our future plans also include on doing further research on how to do a roll-on form for the Secure 2.0 in order to provide an easier and efficient method of applying it onto one's skin, and also to prevent the possibility of cross-contamination. Apart from that, we also want to do more joint efforts with the local entrepreneurs in order to keep our product sustainable.
As an innovation team, we aim to overcome global health issues and also to address health disparities all over the world, aligning with the SDG that we have chosen, which is SDG 3, Good Health and Well-being. We really hope that as an innovation team, the products, the ideas, and the innovations that we put out is safe, affordable, and accessible, thus it can create a long-lasting impact on the individual and the society
itself.